time, let me introduce myself. My name is Magdala Yakob. Welcome to the Career Kickstart podcast, a discussion space that explores the first step in building a career. This time, we'll hear from Reina, a barista who has worked in the food and beverage industry, and I ask questions from a student preparing to embark on a career path. Let's get started. Reina, how did you get started as a barista?
Initially, I only intended to find a part-time job while studying. Then I tried applying to several coffee shops. I started by making a simple CV, sending application directly, and taking basic training. After a short interview and a trial shift, I was accepted, so the process is actually simple. Dare to try first.
For a fresh graduate, what's the most important thing to demonstrate when applying for a job?
The most important thing is the attitude and willingness to learn. Fresh graduates usually don't have much experience, so what they look at is motivation, work ethic, adaptability, and how enthusiastic you are about the position you are applying for. Companies like candidates who are positive, neat, and willing to develop.
How did you handle your first job interview? Do you have any special tips?
My first interview was actually really tensing, but I did a little preparation, finding out about the workplace I was applying to, preparing answers to basic questions, and practice speaking calmly. Tips from me demonstrate honesty and self-confidence. Answer question briefly but clearly. Smile and maintain an attitude from start to finish.
Can experience as a barista be a stepping stone to another career?
Certainly can barista training a school skill and various files such as communication, teamwork, problem solving, and time management. There are many of my friends who have gone on to other files of hospital, marketing, and even open their own business. So this could be a strong foundation.
What's the biggest challenge when citing your first job?
The biggest challenge is usually adapting to the work. The world of work is very different from campus. There are standards, there are targets, there is pressure from customers, but if you want to learn and don't give up, usually after a while it will feel easier. Make sure you can manage your time. Don't let work interfere with college or vice versa. Choose a workplace was operate hours with your schedule and communicate from the start you are a student. The important thing is to stay healthy. According to me, one, know yourself, what you like, are interested in, and are capable of doing. Two, gather experience, internship, volunteer, freelance, or part-time work. Three, connections and keep learning. The world of work needs people who are flexible and willing to develop. Don't be afraid to start small. Not everyone immediately gets their dream job. The important thing is to start first, gather experience, and enjoy the process. Big opportunities usually appear after you dare to take the first step.